Welcome to Monday. I don't know if I look or feel any different, our channel, because we've now got over 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, 10,000, can't believe it. It was a bit nerve-wracking Friday night. We hit 10 and then bang, within seconds it was down again and then up again, then up again, down again. Then all during the night it was below 10,000. Throughout Saturday we climbed back up and we powered our way through it. So into Sunday and we're on the way now. So yeah, loads of things to sort out. Obviously I've talked about the classic car giveaway. We must get on with that and sort that out. So yeah, give me a bit of time just to work out what I'm doing with that. But yeah, we're going to start making motions on that. I know people already want me to start on the old pickup anyway, rather than actually doing a giveaway car. But I've promised to do a giveaway car, so I'm not gonna back away from my promises. So yeah, again, thanks for everyone that's been from the start. Thank you for all the new people as well. Feel free to join in as much as you can. We've got some friendly people that are more than happy to give other advice as well. So if you've got a question, post a comment, other people will reply to you as well. It's not just me. I'm just here as an enabler for all you guys and girls out there to get together and restore cars in your garage. So anyway, let's crack on. Saturday I was working on my secret private project, which will become public at some point once I'm completely happy with it. Had some good success, but still got more to do, so I'm trying not to post any of the videos yet. I'm doing videos for it, but I don't want to give the game away too much, but I'm really bad at keeping secrets. If you're a patron, you already know, and you get a few sneak peeks, but you won't get the full details yet, because I'm still, again, haven't released any of the videos. But anyway, it was good. What I want to do now is put the brakes and the shoes on the driver's side. Do you remember we did on the other radius arm, which I've now fitted just because I was test doing something. Yeah, so let's put the brakes on the other one. Okay, after wasting half an hour trying to find a screwdriver to undo an electrical connection on my giant lead lamp, I couldn't find it, so I had to make a screwdriver, and then we're finally back here again. So found some new clips. Somebody did mention on the other day on the forums on YouTube that is right, that they've got a slight bend to them. They're a bit twisted. They're meant to be like that a little bit, because if you put them in the correct way, you can actually, it sort of puts pressure on it, so it sort of springs out, and it's forcing it against the back plate. If you put it on the opposite, the wrong way, you can still wiggle it a little bit. You know, it's not the end of the world, but it's meant to be under tight pressure to stop it wiggling. So let's piss about trying to get this in. Ah well, there's only a couple of bolts, so I took it off of the car in the end. Things we've got to do, we've got the brake pipes, we've got the handbrake, thingamabob. Oh, what a mess. And we've got another bearing down here. Little rubber gaiter which always falls off and perishes. You've got to put them on. Sometimes it's worth doing now, sometimes they just pop off anyway. So this has seen better days, this one, because I'll do that in a minute. So that can go through. Did it? Poke it through the hole. pipes after. So that's that. Oh, and the brake shoes, hang on. Just found the screwdriver that I'd lost and had to make. So we just put these handbrake adjusters in. Get a bit of grease on them all. And they go. Pretty self-explanatory. The sort of L-shaped edge goes outwards. The tapered edge pokes inwards to then go against the other taper. Like so. And then we can double check about putting the handbrakes on, the shoes in. So you saw me do it hopefully a couple of different ways there, so it's slow-mo again. So yeah, basically I found the easiest way. I always forget, that's why I always have to then try and remember. Get the shoes together, put the bottom spring in first, and then you can get that stretched over the slave cylinder, and also you can then get it onto the handbrakes, and then the top bits can just fall into position. Once you've got the bottom one in, you can then undo the top ones, pull them back out, get the spring in, and then get one end in, and then you can leave the other side into it. I'll show you again one day, I do apologise. But yeah, just make sure that the this one had the powder coating on the handbrake lever was a little bit thick, so it just took a bit of a struggle to get through the shoes. So just double check that sort of stuff before you put it on, because otherwise you just dick about for a while. Okay, let's turn it over now. So yeah, that's the rubber boot keep coming off. Stupid design. Jesus. Anyway, that's that. And then we've got brake pipes and flexi hoses, so let's just get them ready and show you. Okay, so that's the back of the slave cylinder there. This is the point where the flexible hose comes in. I've got this, technically it's upside down to what I'm looking at the moment. This is normally on the top. Same thread both ends. That just gets wound on like that, ready to be nipped up. I bought this from Richmond's Classics. It's a whole kit that does all the brakes at the back and the front. Not those clips that came with it. I've used, well, the clips, you know, the ones that I had the other day that were breaking. That was my fault. That was my spare ones that I was using, just being tight. I thought I'd try and use some others. And yeah, so basically just a length of hose, which hopefully is the right size. And I can't remember now whether it goes. I think we go over. Yeah, we go over the handbrake cable. You imagine the handbrake cable coming through like that. We want to obviously miss it, so we just screw this one in, making sure there's no dirt. Leather mill or a proper brake spanner, highly recommended. And yeah, and we need to bend it to match. I'll pretend handbrake cable is not a problem. I can double check stuff on the car later. Well, that's it for another day. John, got a couple of screws to go in there. I just can't be bothered to go finding them in the dark. But yeah, we're getting there. I think next time we might start on the front hubs as well. I know all the swivel joints and everything. But yeah, alright, I'm off inside. All good. So yeah, thanks again Hopefully we'll be here for another 10,000 subscribers. We'll see what we're doing in 2 years' time. But yeah, got lots of exciting things. Budget and work constrain most things, so we'll get there eventually. But yeah, hope to see you at a few shows next year. Bye bye.